My LG refrigerator has an error code.
LG isn't one of the brands prone to error codes.
Mine is having a problem right now.
At least LG fridge errors usually give you an indication of what is wrong. For example, if errors mean there is a problem with the ice maker.
That's usually obvious from the extra grinding it makes, the lack of ice or the excess of ice because the unit is encased in it.
If the ice maker is encased in ice, it needs to be replaced. If you have an FF error code, the freezer fan needs to be replaced if it isn't frozen in place by ice.
At least I'd have a chance of fixing it by defrosting the freezer.
The CF error I think is for the condenser fan. The error usually requires service, unless the fridge is so dirty the fan is glued by gunk.
If it was that dirty back there, the condenser would be unable to function due to the lack of heat exchange.
The CO error is a communication error between the display board and the control board,
both of which are expensive to replace.
Before you call for service to replace it, reboot the fridge to see if that works. You may or may not want to check the wiring between them, too, though a water leak in the door water dispenser might be the cause.
If I have a water leak bad enough to cause electrical problems, I need to call for service.
The DH error code means it is taking too long to try to defrost.
So the defrost heater is broken?
Or the evaporator isn't rising to the temperature it's supposed to reach. But the error code could be FDH, RDH or RDH depending on the fridge model.
I'll defrost it manually the first time and call for someone to look at the electrical connections or mechanical components next.
The DS error code is the error for a disconnect or short for the defrosting sensor.
That could explain why it isn't defrosting too.
The FS error code on an LG fridge means the freezer sensor is acting up. Whether you want to check the wiring or replace the sensor is your decision.
Then again, a freezer encased in ice or defrost cycle gone awry could cause that too.
The IS error code is the ice maker sensor electrical connection error.
Unfortunately, that means I have to add rebooting the fridge to the list of things to do to try to fix the ice maker.